Use the Calendly element to display any Calendly calendar on your site. Go to the Elements drawer on the left, click on Add Elements, and find the Calendly element, click, hold and drag and bring it onto your page. Click on the element and you will see that you have these handlebars that you can drag around to resize the element. This is great to make sure that it fits in properly on your site. From the Options toolbar all the way to the left, you will just add the link, and that's as simple as bringing in the link from your Calendly account. Let's go to Calendly, go into your account, and from your calendars, you will see the option to copy the link. Select that, go back and paste the link. Other options include styling for background, border and shadows, as well as alignment, and then setting the width and the height within the settings options, as well as padding, margins, animation and scroll effects.